my video. We are cooking salmon. First, you have to set it to 350 degrees.
No, you didn't.
Yeah. Second, you need to make sure you have some aluminum foil, and you have to spray the butter stuff on it. Now you have to plop the salmon down, and then
season it. Season it.
first you need some salt. Now you need some curry powder. It has a little spice. Not actually spice, but
Same as the salt.
now we need some ground ginger. Make sure you're easy with the ingredients. Now, you need some black pepper. Okay, black pepper. And that should be it, but if you want to add a little bit more taste to it, have some parsley flakes. Just a few. Okay. Then you want to make sure your hands, and make sure you have your hands nice and washed. And take your whatever hand, you want to spread it. Because you have to make sure that the salmon gets all the taste. We usually use parsley flakes for our steak, but that's going to be in the next video. Maybe. I don't know what the next video is.
Alright, now the oven is ready.
Now the oven is ready. Should you turn it on?
Think so? Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now that the oven's ready, you should have a salmon that looks like this.
Yummy.
If you don't look, if you don't have a salmon that looks like this, then what did you do?
Alright. You ready, bud?
Yep. All right. Make sure you're very careful with this.
There you go.
And then once it comes out, you're gonna need some mittens, just one. And I guess we'll see you back. Oh yeah, the timer.
It's a big piece. What do you think? Like 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Then you wanna go to your timer. And then since we have a long thicky boy, we have to do a 30-minute timer. Then we want to go start, and we'll see you back in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So, it has been 30 minutes.
Sour
Now,
cream.
Time to open up the salmon.
See how good the salmon came out.
Alrighty. First, you have to back away and do not go straight in the oven, or else you'll get blasted with hot air. But make sure you always have a safety mitten on that's stove proof. You want to go in.
You can put it up here, bud.
Okay. And then grab it by the bottom. Pull it up. And that's what your salmon should look like. Some nice golden salmon. And then, if we had a parsley leaf, we would put a little parsley leaf right there.
Wow.
That should be it. But you can always do the thing as not having the parsley flakes on it, but they're both good. And on the side and behind the scenes, we were cooking some corn, some veggies, and some some potato. Slap some butter right there. And then you want to cut it totally evenly through the side. I'm gonna have I'm gonna have this piece, okay? Where's the big knife?
Big knife? I got you. There.